Imagine a world where the heartbeat of every corporation isn't human labor, but lines of code. That's the bold vision of tech visionary Li Kai-fu, who predicts AI agents will soon become the building blocks of modern businesses. At a recent UBS summit on disruptive tech, he declared that companies will shift from relying on human employees to deploying AI-powered systems as their core operational units. But here's where it gets controversial. Does this mean the end of traditional employment as we know it? Let's break it down. AI agents, as Lee explained, are software programs that use artificial intelligence to independently perform tasks and achieve goals. No human input required. Unlike humans, these digital workers can operate 24/7, replicate infinitely, and scale effortlessly. Think of them as hyper-efficient clones of your top-performing employees, but without the need for sleep, breaks, or legal cloning permits. If you have a superstar employee, you can't just press a button and make 100 copies, Lee joked. But with AI agents, game on. To visualize this, picture your company as a giant Lego set. Each department, HR, legal, finance, customer service, is a modular block. Now imagine replacing those blocks with AI agents, seamlessly connected and working in unison. This Lego-like machinery, as Lee calls it, would allow CEOs to manage entire organizations through a single, intelligent system. And this isn't just theoretical. OpenAI's Sam Altman hinted at this future when he suggested AI-driven companies could one day rival billion-dollar enterprises in value. Major tech giants like Google, Alibaba, and Tencent are already racing to dominate this space. OpenAI has rolled out AI agents designed for research, while Chinese unicorn Zai has partnered with Alibaba Cloud to deploy tools for smartphone users. But here's the part most people miss. This revolution isn't just about efficiency. It's about redefining what a company even is. Are we prepared for a world where your boss is an algorithm? And if so, who's responsible when things go wrong? This isn't a dystopian fantasy. It's a reality in the making. As AI agents evolve from prototypes to production-ready systems, the debate will intensify. Will humans become obsolete, or will we learn to collaborate with our digital counterparts? We'd love to hear your take. Do you see AI agents as a threat or an opportunity? Share your thoughts in the comments below.